After 60, your sciatic pain might not be coming from your back. And if you ignore this, it can quietly get worse every week. Most people treat the pain, but miss the real cause completely. And that's why it never fully goes away. You wake up, that sharp pull in your lower back, it shoots down your leg, you sit, it hurts. You stand, it hurts more. Even walking feels uncertain, and slowly, you start avoiding movement. But here's something most doctors don't explain clearly. It's not just your muscles. Your nerves are like electrical wires. They carry signals from your brain to your legs. But over time, those wires lose their protective coating. And when that happens, every signal becomes pain. That burning, tingling, shooting feeling, that's your nerve, struggling. And this is where it gets interesting. There's one vitamin that supports those nerves every single day. Vitamin B12. Think of vitamin B12, like insulation around a wire. Without it, your nerves are exposed. With it, signals move smoothly again. After 60, your body absorbs less B12. Even if you eat well, you can still be low. And this is where many people go wrong. They rest more, hoping pain will go away. But less movement makes nerves even weaker. If you still want to stay independent, this next part matters. You don't need anything extreme, just small daily support. Take a vitamin B12 supplement with doctor approval. Walk 5 to 10 minutes every day. Drink enough water. Don't sit too long, stand and stretch often. Save this video because most people forget these steps and share it with someone who complains about leg pain. Your body can still recover. Your nerves can still improve, even after 60. Slowly, step by step, day by day. Because the way you move tomorrow depends on what you support today. And tell me in the comments, when does your pain feel worse? Morning or at night?